How we deal with hidden enemy. Our latest laundry services guidelines. Please be advised that we follow the new rules provided by the local government and EOH. The Spin City Laundry Shop. Maintain access and adequate supplies to laundry facilities to help prevent spread of COVID-19. Restrict the number of people allowed in laundry rooms at one time to ensure everyone can stay at least 6 feet apart. Provide disposable gloves, soap for washing hands, and household cleaners and EPA-registered disinfectants. For residents and staff to clean and disinfect buttons, knobs, and handles of laundry machines, laundry baskets, and shared laundry items. Post guidelines for doing laundry such as washing instructions and handling of dirty laundry is provided to all TSC employees across all branches. Our disinfection guidelines. We use of EPA-registered household disinfectant. We use Vortex and Paradox for disinfectant. In the Spin City, we follow the instructions on the label to ensure safe and effective use of the product. When using our supplier products, we carefully follow what they recommend. Keeping surface wet for a period of time. Precautions such as wearing gloves and making sure you have good ventilation during use of the product. Diluted household bleach solutions may also be used if appropriate for the surface. We always check the label to see if your bleach is intended for disinfection and ensure the product is not past its expiration date. Some bleaches, such as those designed for safe use on colored clothing or for whitening, may not be suitable for disinfection. Unexpired household bleach will be effective against coronaviruses when properly diluted. Follow manufacturer's instructions for application and proper ventilation. Never mix household bleach with ammonia or any other cleanser. Leave solution on the surface for at least 1 minute. To make a bleach solution, mix 5 tablespoons bleach per gallon of water or 4 teaspoons bleach per quart of water. Bleach solutions will be effective for disinfection up to 24 hours. Alcohol solutions with at least 70% alcohol may also be used. The Spin City Laundry Shop best practices in our laundry area. For clothing, towels, linens and other items, launder items according to the manufacturer's instructions. Use the warmest appropriate water setting and dry items completely. Wear disposable gloves when handling dirty laundry from a person who is sick. Dirty laundry from a person who is sick can be washed with other people's items. Do not shake dirty laundry. Clean and disinfect clothes hampers according to guidance above for surfaces. Remove gloves and wash hands right away are added safety measures. When cleaning, regular cleaning staff can clean and disinfect community spaces. Ensure they are trained on appropriate use of cleaning and disinfection chemicals. Wear disposable gloves and gowns for all tasks in the cleaning process, including handling trash. Additional personal protective equipment (PPE) might be required based on the cleaning disinfectant products being used and whether there is a risk of splash. Gloves and gowns should be removed carefully to avoid contamination of the wearer and the surrounding area. Wash your hands often with soap and water for 20 seconds. Always wash immediately after removing gloves and after contact with a person who is sick. Hand sanitizer. If soap and water are not available and hands are not visibly dirty, an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol may be used. However, if hands are visibly dirty, always wash hands with soap and water. Additional key times to wash hands include after blowing one's nose, coughing, or sneezing, after using the restroom, before eating or preparing food, after contact with animals or pets, before and after providing routine care for another person who needs assistance, example a child. How we separate our corporate and residential clients with medical personnel or frontliners to regular clients' laundry items. Please check the following images flashing on your screen. Providing extra clean, extra fresh and extra safe services to people is TSC Group's mission and guides always our effort to become exemplary corporate citizens. Thank you for patronizing our services.